routine started. Now my hair was already combed out pretty good. I combed it out and put it in braids just so this process will be easier. My hair routine is gonna be different this time. I'm still gonna section off my hair, but instead of doing the small sections, because I'm achieving like my natural hair state, I can do bigger sections. So that's what I'm gonna do. Starting off with the back section, I'm gonna grab my spray bottle and get this hair as wet as I can. Mixed Chicks this today, and I don't want to put too much because I want my hair to be able to fluff out. So I got about this much. Rub it in, and then I'm just gonna distribute it all in my hair. Now what's different about this hair routine than the other hair routines is I'm not gonna use any type of brush to curl my hair to make those loopy curls. I'm just gonna use a wide tooth comb and let my hair dry naturally. So that's gonna make my hair longer. Well, not really longer because my hair is already pretty long, but when you use the brush, it makes your hair shrink up because it has those loops. This is still not wet enough.
I just want y'all to see because they're super cute.
Ooh, that's kind of too much. That's too much gel, but it's okay. So rub that in. And that is the Diva Curl Archangel gel. I'm gonna show it to y'all. There. Make sure we get these ends. And I'm like halfway done now. Taking the next section, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. First, wetting my hair, getting it as wet as possible. Then running my fingers through it to make sure the water is evenly spread out. And I'm gonna spread the Mixed Chicks and comb my hair out to make sure it stays detangled. I'm gonna spray my hair again just to make sure it is wet enough before I distribute the gel. Not a lot of gel, but just enough. And make sure I run my fingers through it to make sure the water and the moisturizers are evenly distributed in my hair. And lint check. The final top section. And the same thing, I'm just gonna split this into two parts. Spray, spray, spray. Get it as wet as possible, almost dripping wet. Get the Mixed Chicks or whatever, curl enhancing cream you wish to use. Distribute that, comb it out, spray it again because it's still not wet enough, and grab that gel. It is that simple. Now, after you do the other side, I'm just gonna spray my hair again where it feels dry, and I'm also gonna get some more of my moisturizing curl cream that I'm using, which in my case is the Mixed Chicks. Sometimes I use the Cantu curl cream as well, but you're just gonna make sure you put some of this cream where your hair feels like it needs that extra moisture. And then after you put the cream in there, go back in it just on top of your hair with a little bit more gel. Not too much, but this is gonna really help your hairstyle last. You see how my hair is not curled like it would be with the brush. If I take my brush and I comb it, it's gonna shoo. But if I want my, more wavy and long type hair, this is the routine I use. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry. I'm gonna go run a few errands. I will be back. So I'm not gonna blow dry my hair. I'm gonna let my hair air dry. And then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how it turns out. All right, I am back. It has been exactly 1 hour. It was 10:45 when I finished. It is now 11:45 and my hair is almost completely dry, and it is popping. Like, this is without any brushes, in my hair. This is, you know, this is just a wide tooth comb, but really just raking my fingers through my hair when it's after it's already combed out, of course. And then this is how it's coming out. So with this hairstyle, you know, you can change your part. So sometimes I like to wear my hair to one side like that. And then of course, I gotta brush my baby hairs down. I might keep this part down the middle, or sometimes I kind of flip it to the side, push a little bit of my hair back. But this